All right, good day to you right where you are. My name is Moses Elijah, and I am a full stack digital marketer with Bincom. And this time around, I'm taking you through the practical guideline and the manual to make your hackathon journey for the month of October a success. So, welcome to the Bincom Dev Center Hackathon 2020, October 2023 edition. And the focus for this month edition is hacking genAI, generative AI, building next big thing, generative AI in 24 hours or less. So the hackathon event is happening on the 20th and 21st of October 2023, Friday and Saturday combined together. And it's kicking off virtually close to you. I mean, you can join virtually. It's also happening in Gombe, happening in Yaba, Lagos, happening in London, and other locations as well. If you're yet to register, you can go over to bincom.net/hackathon, register there, and follow our social media handle on X, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, Bincom Dev Center to get more information. So the Bincom Hackathon event, what's it all about? It is a quarterly innovation-focused competition that brings together individuals across multiple career tracks, primarily tech careers, with various skill sets to ideate, innovate, and create solutions for real-life users leveraging on technology. So how does it work? The Bincom Hackathon competition is an all-inclusive event taking into consideration various career paths and skill sets, primarily from tech careers. And of course, it focuses on solving real human problems. Participants from various or different fields were divided into teams between 2 to 5 members. The job of the team is to create a tech-enabled solution that will be solving at least one problem. Each team will be judged on specific criteria, leading to the creation of an MVP, which is a minimum viable product. All interested participants are grouped into teams, should register their team names on or before October 21st, which is on Saturday, 12 p.m. West African time. Else, they forfeit their participation in the competition. Prototype built with relevant code base on GitHub repository should be submitted on or before October 21st by 7 p.m. West African time. After this, no more submission. After submission, evaluation takes place in 3 phases. Firstly, community judges review sections, upon which 5 innovations will get selected. The top 5 is subjected to public vote feedback, which would last for roughly 3 days from October 20th to October 23rd, right? From the public vote, the top 3 will get selected and advance to the final judging review, after which the winning team gets announced. What does it involve? All participants are expected to register for the event on bincom.net/hackathon. Important. Participants are expected to join the respective virtual check-in sections. Though it is not compulsory, but it is necessary for you. The participants are requested or are asked and requested, of course, to form teams. Each team will be cross-functional, with each team consisting of 2 members minimum. Each team must register their team name and team member before the team registration deadline, which of course is on the 21st of October, 12 p.m. Each team must choose from a range of problems addressable with technology. So whatever it is you're thinking about should be fixable with technology. Each team has to ensure that the solution provided are in line with the objective of the hackathon. Don't build outside the objective. Each team should know that their solution will be judged based on the judging criteria. The core idea should be in the public domain. So don't bring something so private or something that has external vested interest to build in the hackathon. Because Anybody in the world can actually run the initiative with or without you. All MVPs need to be submitted strictly at the scheduled time. All teams will be required to build a functional tech-enabled solution. Pitch deck and video demos of the solution must be made, not more than 3 minutes. All codes must be in the public domain, and link to a working solution must be shared as well. Remember, it is important to know that shared initiative should not have any private vested interest, as any submission is assumed to be open source. So how do you choose a team? Which, of course, is a very important question you need to ask. Number one, evaluate your strength, your competence. Interact with participants by sharing initiative. And ensure to rename your Zoom name to include your skills. So if you put your name, put your skills. Elijah Moses, full stack digital marketer, business developer, X, Y, and Z. Connect through the Slack channel with individuals having complementary skills for the project in view, to the project in view. Ensure to have the following skills on your team, just to help, is a suggestion. A product, project, or business developer or manager, a web tech app developer. So anybody that's into tech can also join your team. Now, what should your solution include? What should the solution contain? Fully functional code base, ease of use features, a practical demo, originality in design, creativity in user access, innovative in nature, simplistic in user access, scalable capacity to increase or accommodate more users, presentation clarity, tailored specifically to solve a recognized problem, must use generative AI. The judging criteria is quite simple. The strength of the idea is 30%, originality, creativity, relevance of solutions, scalability, and ease of use. The working solution prototype, 50%. Clear presentation. Strategy involved presented workflows and clearly articulated work plan. Teamwork, 20%. In total, 100%. Public voting phase. So the top 5 entries will be posted on our Bincom Dev Center LinkedIn page. So if you get selected, hopefully, you go over there, post, you'll see the list of participants, your team, other teams posted there. Comment, all right? Comment on each of them or comment on the one you want to comment on, right? And also know that comments posted will be counted as entries, all right? Entry votes. So, and it will count as long as it is constructive or positive in a way. Remember, no negative talk. Just judge it and see how practical it is to you or to the problem to which it is created to solve. After that, our internal judges will select the winner out of the top 3 entries. So top 5 to top 3. After that, just one gets selected and others get appreciated in the most convenient manner. Remember this, that duplicate votes from the same name but different account won't be counted. If you have many names and you want to increase your vote, forget it. Voting after the public vote duration becomes void. So there's a time duration for you to vote. After that, bye-bye. Remember, constructive feedback is important. What we expect from you: timely delivery, adherence to the hackathon rules, submission as of when due. A short 2 to 3 minute video explaining your solution, public link to the full working solution for people to use, and public link to your repository for others to collaborate in the future. So it's quite easy. What are you doing? Build the next big thing with genAI in 24 hours or less. So the solution should be functional. Any programming language, you can use it. Your solution should be hosted. Very important. And at least there are free platforms out there you can try out. All right. So use any free hosting server site. All right. And whether or not you're using low code or full code, they aim to get the result on. Presentation should be clear and should be well organized. Now, remember, you have to use one generative AI tool, so know what to use. Very important. And your presentation should also include how the AI tool, was used in building the prototype to which you work on. And remember, it is end-to-end, very important. So don't try to build it outside what you're asked to build. What is neat for you? An active competition with real-life project, opportunity for resource network building, a direct path to startup development. It serves as a resource means to build your portfolio, an opportunity to learn and improve on in-demand tech skills, opportunity to jumpstart your career, the opportunity to join a growing tech community with over thousands of talents and much more. Who should join? Programmers, designers, tech enthusiasts, creators, tech professionals, entrepreneurs, freelancers, business developers, and everybody interested. How you can participate? Participants, community judge, observer. So in you registering, you choose which of the category you want to fall into. Activity timeline. The event kicks off officially October 20th. Participatory, introductory section and grouping. Join, don't miss out. First check-in section, virtual 21st by 11 a.m. West African time. And this is focused on ensuring that participants have registered their teams. Second virtual section, October 24th by 6 p.m. Focus on team product submission before the deadline by 7 p.m. that day. Community joint evaluation, selection of the top 5, October 20th to October 23rd. Remember, it's 3 days. Public feedback voting for today in October, still same duration, 22nd to 24th. And remember, the top 5 products will be selected and top 2 will be selected out of the public voting, and the winner will be announced. So in the breakout section, you get to meet each other, understand the work process, understand what needs to be done, brainstorm, ensure all team members have joined the Slack community for easy communication, and then you need to follow up on the ideation process. During the kickoff event on the 20th, we'll have a breakout for each team, whether we get to connect with themselves. The next slide reveals some couple of information about the hackathon itself and the various centers where to hold. So when you get into the Slack channel, you have to look out for the hackathon channel in the Bincom Tech Network channel. The hackathon channel is where communication should take place. Please don't go outside. Do it in there. Connect from there. Now, some of the questions, frequently asked questions. Can I submit a project I've already, worked on? Well, everything must get started and must end during the hackathon. Nothing outside, only that which is within. What are the judging criteria? Remember, innovation, technical complexity, design, impact, and presentation. The exact criteria will be shared for the selection of the top 5 solutions. In the second stage, the public feedback will be considered. Very important. And after the public feedback, the internal judges will evaluate, and the top 3 will be picked, and the top 1 will be selected. So it is everybody join, top 5 selected from public voting, then top 3, and out of the top 3, the top 1, numero uno, 1 will be picked. So vital links you need to know, and this is made available. You can also access the slide link on the YouTube channel. So the hackathon link, bincom.net/hackathon. Do that. Save the team name registration link so you can register your team name. The product submission link so you can submit your product. These are links that you should keep in your mind. The Bincom Tech Network link, where the hackathon link is found. This is it. You need to save it. And the Zoom room for virtual section link will be shared. In fact, on the day of the event, you have those links as well. So yeah, the picture is very amazing. Hacking generative AI. Boom! So this is going to happen in London, right? At the Warren Center basement 1 to 8, Winfield Place, London, WIT 5JU. So if you're in London, Ensure you join. As well as happening in Lagos, Yaba, number 5, Ajayi Street, Onike, Yaba, Lagos. It's happening the time 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., the kickoff event, October 20th. It's also happening in Gombe State. Friday, the kickoff event, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So if you're around those locations, ensure that you join. And it's important to join, right? So that is all about the wonderful presentation. Looking forward to seeing you join. Tell your friends, tell everybody. The Bincom October 2023 Hackathon event is live. Booyah! Thank you.